Okay, we're good. Okay. Go for the quiz.
Alrighty.
Oh, this one has 18 questions. That's a lot. Okay. Question number 3. Your total area under a normal distribution curve must equal normal distribution curve. Is it 95% or is that 100%?
I think it's 95 because I figured it's the 68 and the like 92, 95 or whatever it was.
Yeah. I wrote in my notes that under a normal density curve that it should equal 1. I don't know why I wrote 1 and not 100. Which, yeah.
Let me see what I've got.
Okay.
Yeah, it says 1. That's what I've got.
Okay. And that's where we'll go. Under certain
Sounds good.
circumstances. Oh, sorry. What? What was that?
Oh, I didn't say anything.
Oh. Under normal.
That's probably someone.
Oh, someone in your apartment. Under certain circumstances, a normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis. From my understanding, it's always either on the axis or above the axis.
Yeah, that's from all the graphs and stuff that I've seen. It's been everything's always been above.
Yeah.
So I think we go with false.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
I think 5 is true though.
Normal distribution curve that's true. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-score?
The z-score, I think, are the red lines. I want to say C.
I thought C that's a standard deviation, I thought.
Is it? I just remember like on the little applet thingy, it said z-score next to the boxes. Well, I don't necessarily know.
Are z-scores standard deviations? Like is z-score and standard deviation the same thing?
Well, because the z-score, it's the number that we're going with. So it's like if let's go say the average height for someone is 60 inches and I'm 65, then it would be 65 minus 60. So it'd be like my height minus the average. And then we would divide that by the, what's the word I'm looking for? By the standard deviation.
Okay.
So I think it is.
I think C, because see how C is pointing. I think C is referring to that red bar, and on the other side, the other red bar is the opposite of it. So I think those are standard deviations.
All right. Yeah. So So
The z-squared,
what letter would you say it is?
I would say, because there's the option of that it's none of them. Because I kind of, because section A is representing the normal, like under the normal density curve. Because it doesn't fill the whole, like, or it does, but I don't know. Like the graph I remember from when it was defining that, saying that the total area under it was 1, the whole thing wasn't full. So that was, anyway, that's kind of what I think. Is that it's none of them.
All right. Sounds good. We can go with that one.
This one, I don't know. Hold on. Never mind. Maybe you're right. It's C. Should we go for C, and then if that's wrong, because I'm pretty sure it's not A or B. Like pretty sure of that.
Yeah.
So let's go with C, and if it's wrong, then we would know probably.
Go with D.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sounds good. And 7 represents the probability that the z-score is greater than 1. Would we say that's B?
Yes. I believe so.
And if it's not B, then it's going to be
None.
none. Yeah. All right. 8. According to the 68, 95, 99.7% rule, what percentage of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean?
That'd be 60.
Write your answer as a percentage. 68, yeah.
Suppose the z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability applet to answer this question. What proportion of the z-scores will be between -1 and 1? Give your answer as a decimal.
Would that be the area?
I'm not sure.
A standard. Yeah, so it's the proportion that's shaded. And so but it's on the ends. I think it's 0.683. Did you click on the little blue link?
Yes.
So when you get to that.
Yes, I see what you're saying. Okay, yeah, I think so too. I think you are correct. 0.683.
Yeah. I was confused because I was like, because the outsides were shaded, but once you click on it, it takes it off.
Suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability answer or applet to answer this question. Will be between 2 and 2. So can you move that? Yeah. Hey, no, you can't. Can you? Yes, you can move the line.
Yeah, you can.
Wait, and we're talking inside or outside again on this one? Is it inside still? Yes.
Yeah, inside still. Do you get 0.955?
Oh, I will if mine was on the wrong thing.
Uh,
Yes, now I do. I thought I didn't type in the z-score. I just moved the red line and I didn't get it right on the two. So yes, 0.955.
gotcha. Okay, so same thing now, but with the threes. 0.997.
Yes.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Has the 1, 2, 3 deviations. Now, okay, yeah, I get what it's doing. All right.
So that's what you're saying with number 12. The first one, it would be the value matches, the 68, 95, 97,
Yeah,
99.
yeah.
Okay.
All right, so my phone's dying rapidly right now. I'm gonna go get a charger for it real quick. I'll be right back.
Okay. I've got to plug in my laptop too. So while you do that, I'll grab my charger. Come in. Thanks. It's Trevor. Oh.
I can help you with the time if you come.
I'm just wrapping up, or I'm not in my quiz, my group meeting quiz. You want to be on our video? This is recorded in that my teacher. Yeah.
Hey,
Hey, Caleb, my only loyal group member. I don't know what happened to Alexa and Matt.
yeah, stuff happened, I guess.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so
Okay.
oh, there's a giant reading before fun. Okay, so the amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight. Okay, per kilogram body of weight. The population mean protein requirement for adults is 0.65 grams per kilogram body of weight, and the population standard deviation is 0.07 grams. Okay, so what proportion of the population have a protein requirement less than 0.6?
Did you time? No.
So this one I don't remember too specifically.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so the mean is 0.65. Okay, standard deviation is 0.07 and negative, or wait. So standard deviation marks would be 0.72 and 0.58 on the sides of it.
Uh-huh.
But I can't remember, man. Yeah, I can't remember how to do it, so it's, let me figure out. what's in between. Because that is going to be 68 between those. But that's not. Isn't this where you need, is this where you use that, that formula with the mean and the standard deviation and the
See,
observation?
I think that, yeah, I think that's for z-score, so I'm not sure.
What proportion?
Oh, I know what. Okay, so we do use it, and then whatever we get. So we'll do like. So I guess it's 0.05 divided by 0.07.
Mm-hmm.
So
That is 0.714.
and so I think on the little applet thing we would put 714 as our z-score, and then we'd click on the less than portion.
So it'd be 0.52.
See, I got 0.238.
Wait, you put 0.14 or 0.714
0.714.
for the z-score?
So, because it goes from so 0.6 is 0.05 less than 0.6 than the mean or median.
Yeah. And so
And
the
so
top
like so the equate
0.05. And then divide that
yeah,
by
and then the bottom 0.07 because that's the standard deviation.
Mhm.
And that would be the z-score.
Yeah. And that is 0.714.
Yeah,
that's
and so
what
on the
z-score. But then for my area, I got 52 or 0.5248.
That's weird because mine came out as 0.238 because I clicked on the. So if you click on the blue section to the left of the red line, because it says less than.
Oh, yes, you're right. You're right. That's
Yeah.
You're right. I was going for the middle section. Okay.
And then.
So that's the answer.
0.23. Yeah, and I think that's what the answer would be.
That makes more sense.
And then so the next one is the same thing, but whatever's left.
Not like annoying, like if she didn't reply to do it, but
So
0.62.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Like, I don't know, like obsessive. That's part of me is like, just Snapchat me.
All right. Less than 0.7.
10:15. Why are you even?
45-minute halves.
Oh, so now it's 0.7. That's the
I'm so sorry for yesterday.
same thing, but it's everything left of the second red line.
Okay, that is 0.238 again. Wait.
But so
No, never mind. Sorry.
Yeah. Did you get 763?
762. Again, right?
Oh yeah, 0.762. Should be.
Find the probability. A randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.6 and 0.7. Um,
Oh,
okay,
so it's
so
just-
reading that one, that would be just the middle, and that's the 0.525, right?
Yeah.
And the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for adults.
So that's the question on the Snapchatter.
Yes, Snapchatting.
Why?
I can hear your roommates in the background talking about Snapchat.
I'm playing the same card.
Yeah.
I don't know if I know she actually likes me.
That's his girlfriend that he just started dating. Hasn't
Who's that?
Snapchatted her today.
Yeah, she did Snapchat me, so I'm gonna have to start hiring
Lost
help.
But yeah, he lost the streak.
No, the streak's still there, so it hasn't been a full 24 hours. And the streak's only at 8, so I don't want to.
Our streak is at 5.
I know. The
Alrighty.
highest streak I have
The
is-
percentiles one though.
Oh no, sorry.
I can't remember.
Let me check. It's at 17.
Mine's at
Click on the areas.
726.
So I guess she did Snapchat me last, but that was Wednesday. At 8. Oh, for that streak to keep going, I need to snap
Oh,
it back.
okay.
So she can't.
So
I
you type in the percentile
should
in the area section.
I did go today.
Oh, that makes sense. So we want the, what was it, the 70th? No, the
I think
35th.
it was
The last.
35th,
Yes.
and it wanted
Oh,
the 35th, so it'd be 0.454.
Oh, we're at 9.
Is that what you would get?
But part of me wonders.
wait, you put in 35 up at the top?
Our streak
Yeah, in the area part.
Streak died.
That's what. So
I'm,
I was just looking at the
I responded.
thing. It says
No, I didn't.
so. Click on the area under the curve until the area left of the positive z-score is shaded blue. And then type the desired area or percentile in the box at the top of the graph. Type in a number between 0 and 1. The 90th percentile, you would enter 0.900.
oh, so you put in 0.35.
Yeah.
Okay, and we want what's less than, the 35th percentile
Oh, okay, so Snapchat it back.
already.
is 0.385. Is that what you said?
Or she was like, get away from me, people.
Point. So 0.35.
Said she's been napping for like,
At the top
hello?
Yeah.
equals, if you just have the left area shaded, then it's 0.3.
Yeah, because mine will only give me the left area. And so I think it would be, yeah, 0.385. Well, would it be negative 0.385?
No, I don't think so.
Up from it.
Because if I remember, I think the negatives are just
Yeah.
In the opposite
Like-
direction.
to tell you what side of the standard deviation, but I don't think it actually is a
Oh.
negative number. Because when you get on the other side of the standard deviation, it's not like
Oh, yeah.
positive 5. They're still just
True.
whatever. Yeah.
Yeah. So 0.385 is what you got.
I think it's not that I don't really get out of it. Okay, then the 80th percentile. So you do 0.8 at the on the area.
Yeah.
Did you get
Then
0.8?
you get- Yep.
Okay. And that's all of them?
All right. Now it's time to see what happens.
Okay.
Oh, we missed the last two. Huh. Let's see if maybe the wording was.
Oh, that's right. The bottom, that's not the percentile down at the bottom. That's the z-score.
Oh, that's the z-score. Yeah. The second you said that, I was like, oh. So,
So, okay, so if we have the z-score that is, so the z-score of 17 is 0.385. And then to just find the percentile, I don't know if I get that.
okay. It looks like it's a pretty complicated process.
Yes, it does.
Well, I'm just going to go ahead and do the next quiz all the way up until that point, and then I'll just start working.
I'll work on if you want to work on question 17, then I'll work on 18.
All right,
With
sounds
that.
good.
What's the mean on that problem? Do you remember?
There
wasn't.
It was. Oh, it was 0.65. Is what the mean was.
Oh, that's right. So this is how you do it, right? You have on the left side of the equation, you have the z-score, and then is equal to x minus 0.65 over the standard deviation was 0.7 or 0.07. Is that right?
The standard deviation was 0.07. So you've got, z-score on the left is equal to x minus
6.65, because that's the mean, divided by 0.07.
Yeah. And
Okay.
then from there you would
Solve for
be
x.
able to you'd be able to do the rest. You'd figure it out for x, yeah.
Okay. Are these supposed to be rounded to 3 decimal places as well?
I think, yeah, 3 decimal places.
Okay, I think I have 18. When you,
Let's see.
okay, I did them both. You'll have to let me know when you get to that.
So I got 0.682 for 17.
That's not what I got. Okay, wait. So on that one, you do 0.385, right? And you'd multiply it by 0.07. And then add 0.65.
Did I do 0.385?
Because that was what we got for the 35th percentile. Right? Yeah. 0.385.
I don't know why mine's not coming up as point. For some reason, mine's coming up as 0.454 right now. Hold on. Okay, there it is. 0.3. That's what.
Okay.
I got 0.677.
Yeah, that's what I got too. Okay.
Is that what you got?
For 17? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
And then I did 18 as well.
And then what'd you get for 18?
I got 0.709 on 18.
You got what?
0.709.
Yeah, I got the same thing.
Okay. Then hopefully we've got it right this time. Didn't get 17, but 18's right. So how did
That's.
454 must have been right, but how did you get that?
I don't know where it came up.
Because on the
Yeah.
on top, like in the applet, I put 0.35, and the z
Yeah, I
squared.
did the same. Because I did the same thing, but I eventually got the same answer as you did, which it.
I don't get that.
But yeah,
Well,
yeah. And then for 11, was it 0.997 that we got?
for which number?
11.
11. Yeah, we put 0.997.
Was that what we got?
Yeah, that's right.
All right, sweet. And then
Did you try it with them? Have you submitted it yet?
not yet. I have to put in all the other answers real quick.
Did you do the math to 0.454?
Yeah, and yeah, I got 0.682 with that.
Okay.
This is my life.
Let's see.
She Snapchatted Brad. She said I don't want to hang out anymore.
What?
No.
I was about to go kill her.
Did that one work?
All day.
My computer's a mess right now. I don't know what's going on,
You did? I should just say.
but I will let you know as soon as I figure out
Help. Study. Say
what's
motivate
going
me to
on.
study.
You should help motivate me to study. I say, well, I'm gonna need some motivation to study, so. Should I say that?
Yes.
Yeah, cooked potatoes and stuff.
Sweet. What is that? Protein?
Oh, really? In school? Of course.
Alrighty, I'm about to submit,
Okay.
Look how
Let me know.
healthy.
and
Healthy. Just Asian.
no, 0.682 wasn't right either.
That one's weird. Okay.
Alrighty, well, 95%'s not too shabby.
Yeah, we're good. Okay.
Alright, well, I better get off before the teacher starts seeing all sorts of stuff from my roommates.
Okay.
So-
Sounds good. I'll send it to you.
Alright, bye.
Have a good weekend.
You didn't work.